chapter 2.6, coupler, file, new, English, ANSI, create, base. This one's going to be a bit different than the others because it requires a section view. I'm going to bring that in and hit OK. I'm going to move this up and I'm going to go to annotate and I'm going to hit centered pattern. And if you look down here, it says select center of circular pattern. You can click this one. Go along and click each one of these holes and come back to the original one. And it drops in those radial center lines. Now, come over to place views and go to section view. And it says select a view, which this is the only one we have. I'm going to click it. Come over and find the center where the dot will turn green, but don't click anything. Just find it and it'll trail you up and just click right above it. Come back down, make sure it's straight, and click about the same distance on the other side, and it happens to be pointing this way, so you're just going to move over and left click again, then right click, continue, and it's going to give you a section view here, and just click it into place. Okay, now I'm going to go back to annotate again. For some reason it took that off. I'm going to go back here, centered pattern. You can click that circle, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Come over here to bisector, click 1, 2, 1, 2 there, and you can also click this one to extend that a bit, this one and that one. Now if we dimension it, let's try this again. 1, let's click the outside this time. 1, 2, right click, create. That's what I forgot to do. So once you come all the way around, click that, you got to come out here, right click, and then left click, create. And again, you can also come over here and go projected and put a 3D view over here. Let me do that one more time. Projected, get that red box, left click, then right click, left click, create. I'm going to move that in a bit, and I can move this over because they're connected. Okay. Come over here, go to annotate, dimension, click this in, choose that corner, thickness, hit OK. Okay, get this one. And we can come over here, annotate, And we can look for a hole and thread. Let's see if that'll give it to us. And choose this circle. You can put that on there. Or you could create a text. I can show you how to do that. Just go to create a text. Drop that in. And you could type in 4 by 2 diameter. And it has the same thing here. You could put in typical 4 places. For right now, we're just going to leave that the way it is. We can also come back to the dimension command, and you could either put it here or in the book they may have put it over here, and then you can choose that bolt circle, and I try to line it up, my text line up like this. Drop that in, hit OK. And that is pretty much chapter 2.6, the coupler, as far as drawing. We'll come in here, click inside again, your name, highlight, drop down, choose, hit OK. It didn't take, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. Click, just keep going. Type in chapter 2.6, highlight, drop down, select, hit OK. Click out here, type in material, colon space, highlight, OK, hit escape twice, double click that name, highlight it, go back to your drop in, click that, hit OK. Now you can just hold down your left mouse, center everything up, move this one over, and now you have chapter 2.6.